Today we will discuss about ordered list in HTML. In previous video we discussed about unordered list. Today we will convert this multi-level unordered list into an ordered list partly, and the remaining part you may practice if you want. Here I have a basic HTML document with head part, and also in the body we have the heading. The list is about 3 American countries and their cities. Each countries have 3 cities or areas, and each area have 3 famous places to visit. Let us try to do this multi-level list, but before let us start a basic list. To create ordered list you need well tag. Well means ordered list. Inside this well tag, for 3 countries I will take 3 list tags. So li Ctrl C Ctrl V 2 times. First country is Chile. Next we have Brazil. Finally we have Argentina. Save. Now let's try to check the result. This is the file. Double click. This is the result. The bullet points are in ordered numbers because this is an ordered list. We can also start from different numbers if we need. For example, I will try to start the numbers from 10. How to do that? So let us visit the code. Here you see I have already pointed out here. So I can start equal to, let's say, 10. Save. Reload. It starts from 10, but I'll undo because I want to keep the default for now. Now I will try about types. We can have, let me first save it, reload. Instead of 1, 2, 3, we can also have other types like A, B, C or Roman numbers. To do that we need to add attribute type equals, if we put 1, it is default type, there will be no change. Let us do a sublist here before we try the second type. So maybe let's try this. So let us add the different places of Chile. For that we again have to start ordered list and 3 list elements, and here first of all Santiago city, then we have Easter Island, and finally we have Patagonia. Save. Now if we check the output, here we have the sublist. We will change 1, 2, 3 into ABC. For that, here second ordered list. But before that, let us tell you that we can also have used unordered list inside ordered list or vice versa. So let us check that first. So UL, and here also we have to change. Save and reload. This is now unordered list, but let us get back as it was before. Now I want to change the ordered list type. Sorry, I have to save. So I want to change the ordered list type to ABC. For that, space and then paste type equals A, capital letter. Save. Reload. So the sublist is ABC. And finally let us also add another sublist with different type. I will use again the second item. Here first of all we will add Maui statues. This mysterious statues, as in this photo, is found in the Easter Island. So here I'll start another ordered list. Need another list. Copy the Maui statues, paste it here. Then we have this area I do not know about, and finally we have a beach. Copy and paste. Save. Reload. Now I want to change these numbers into Roman. For that, add again type. What type? we need Romans, so here maybe this one, save, capital I, so reload. So now these are Roman numbers. You can also use smaller I and also smaller a for variations. Now the tutorial is complete, but for practice you can do this whole unordered list and convert it into ordered list with different types. So you can pause the video and check this and try to do. And again, middle part, and again the last part. That is all for today. Thank you.